Prince Hans.
Anna! You're so cold.
Hans, you have to kiss me.
What?
Now.
Whoa,
now.
slow down.
We'll give you two some privacy.
What happened out there?
Elsa struck me with her powers.
You said she'd never hurt you.
I was wrong. Oh,
Anna.
she froze my heart, and only an act of true love can save me.
A true love's kiss. Oh, Anna. If only there was someone out there who loved you.
What? You said you did.
As 13th in line in my own kingdom, I didn't stand a chance. I knew I'd have to marry into the throne somewhere.
What are you talking about?
As heir, Elsa was preferable, of course, but no one was getting anywhere with her. But you,
Hans.
You were so desperate for love, you were willing to marry me just like that. I figured after we'd married, I'd have to stage a little accident for Elsa.
Hans. No, stop.
But then she doomed herself, and you were dumb enough to go after her.
Please.
All that's left now is to kill Elsa and bring back Summer.
You're no match for Elsa.
No, you're no match for Elsa. I, on the other hand, am the hero who was going to save Arendelle from destruction.
You won't get away with this.
Oh, I already have.
Please, somebody help. Please. Please.
It's getting colder by the minute. If we don't do something soon, we'll all freeze to death.
Prince Hans.
Princess Anna is dead.
What's him? What happened to her?
She was killed by Queen Elsa.
Her own sister.
At least we got to say our marriage vows. Before she died in my arms.
There can be no doubt now. Queen Elsa is a monster, and we are all in grave danger.
Prince Hans. Arendelle looks to you.
With a heavy heart, I charged Queen Elsa of Arendelle with treason and sentenced her to death.
Hurry up! She's dangerous. Move quickly.
Careful. It won't open.
It's frozen shut.
What is it, buddy? Hey, watch it. What's wrong with you? I don't understand you when you talk like that. Ah, stop it! Put me down! No, Sven. We're not going back. She's with her true love.
What the...